In this video, you will learn how to create a column in the Grade Center. If you need a grade column for in-class work or work that does not require online submissions, you can select the Create Column button. In this example, I need a grade column for an in-class essay. So I will give this column the name Essay 1. That will also appear in my gradebook. It is strongly recommended that you leave the next field blank, as it is only for abbreviations. Although I can type a column description, students cannot see this unless I use the report command to hand out report cards. Below is the ability to specify a primary or secondary display. Primary display is a score format students and instructors see. Currently, the column is set to score, but it can be set to letter as well. If you change the format to letter, this means you can enter a letter grade or a score that eLearning converts into a letter based on a letter grading schema. Other options for this primary display include text percentage and complete incomplete, but for now I'm going to keep score. Secondary display is only visible to an instructor, so it is not used very often for daily work. Instructors more often use secondary to check that a letter grade is converting points for a midterm and final grade correctly. At this point, I can choose a category to organize, view, and calculate Grade Center data. Here, I choose Assignment. I must now type the points possible. I can associate a rubric if needed. If I scroll down, I can then specify a due date so my students receive a notification on their My eLearning page and in their daily emails that a deadline is approaching. If I scroll down to additional options, I can decide whether or not I want to show this column to students. By default, this is set to yes, but I'm going to set this column to no because I want the grades to show after I grade every student. Below is the ability to show statistics, such as the class average and class median. Once ready, I'll click Submit. So now that I scroll to the right, my new grade column for Essay 1 appears. And should I need to change any of the settings, all I have to do is select the drop-down button and then select Edit Column Information. To learn about entering grades manually, continue to the video Entering Grades.